Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Toyota Highlander rear bumper. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Always ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the engine off and the parking brake engaged for safety. Begin by visually inspecting the bumper to identify all visible screws, clips, and attachment points that secure it to the vehicle's body. This initial check helps you plan your approach. Next, you'll need to remove the screws located within the wheel well liners on both sides of the vehicle. Typically, there are about 3 to 5 screws per side. If your Highlander has mud flaps, gently detach them as they often secure part of the bumper. After that, open the tailgate and locate the taillight assemblies. You'll need to carefully unplug the wiring harness connected to each taillight before proceeding. Now, with the screws and wiring disconnected, it's time to release the bumper from its remaining clips. Using your trim removal tool, carefully pry around the edges of the bumper, especially where it meets the quarter panels and under the tailgate. These plastic clips can be a bit stubborn, so apply steady, gentle pressure. Work your way around the entire perimeter, ensuring all clips are disengaged. Have a soft blanket or cardboard ready to place the bumper on once it's free. Once all clips are released, gently pull the entire bumper straight back and away from the vehicle. It should slide off smoothly. Double-check for any forgotten fasteners or wires before completely removing it. Remember, reinstallation is essentially the reverse of this removal process. Take your time. Align all the clips and screw holes properly, and ensure all electrical connections are securely reattached for your lights to function correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.